Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Please like, subscribe and share the video. And for more latest video updates of our channel, you can press the bell icon too. So let's start the video. What is a voided check and how to void a check. So in this video, you will be knowing what is a voided check and how can you void a check. How can you make the check void. So the first thing is, what is voided check? Voided check क्या होता है? The check that has a single check that has a term void or word void written on it is called a voided check in simple terms. But here the word void has a basic purpose. What purpose it should be? That the check should be not be recognized for the purpose of payment. It is the check that has the word void written on it cannot be used for the payment purpose. Though you can leave the check blank or partially filled up or fully filled, but that's upon your choice. But it can only be used for bank related information. You can retrieve bank information from the voided check. So you can share account number and bank routing number with the help of voided check. What information can be shared here is account number and bank routing number with the help of voided check. Now what is the definition of voided check? The definition of voided check depicts a check that has been cancelled. वो चेक जो कैंसिल हो चुका है इज़ अ वॉइडेड चेक. और वो चेक हम वॉइड कैसे करते हैं? बाय राइटिंग द वर्ड वॉइड ऑन इट. अ चेक विट इज़ वॉइड कैन नॉट बी यूज्ड. जो चेक वॉइड हो चुका है दैट कैन नॉट बी यूज इज ऑफ नो यूज फॉर बैंकिंग और पेमेंट पर्पज. द बेसिक रीज़न फॉर चेक बीइंग वॉइड, रीज़न जिसकी वजह से चेक वॉइड हो जाता है आ देयर इज़ अ मिस्टेक इन फिलिंग आउट द चेक. देयर एग्जिस्ट सम मिस्टेक व्हाइल यू फिल अप अ चेक. The check is left blank or left partially filled up. Either you leave the check partially filled up or fully blanked. The check was issued out in error. There was some error while issuing a check. The check is used for direct deposit payroll. It is used for direct deposit payroll or setup of an employer or an employee. It is used for hiring an employer or an employee. How can you void a check? Now, what is the process that pays? What is the process by which you can void a check? Here you can write the word void. By simply writing the word void on a check in large letters, you can void a check. It should be written in capital letters. The check that has the term void should be written in void in capital letters. Large size covering the entire space. Void word capital letters में लिखा होना चाहिए. It should cover the entire space on the check. Numbers at the bottom of the check should not be covered, but the numbers that are indicated at the bottom of the check should not be covered by the word void, as these numbers are needed by the recipients of the check in order to establish link with their bank account. क्योंकि ये numbers हमको ज़रूरी होते हैं to get and retrieve the information that is needed. Be careful by using the word void. You should be very careful by using the word void, that no one can remove or erase it, that it could not be erased. So for this purpose you can use a permanent marker instead. So in order to void a check, you just need to write a word void. So how can you make a check void? By simply writing the word void on it from the side of the check. You can write the word void from one side of the check to other. Suppose this is a check, you can write the word void like this by taking the entire space of the check. Now check voided sample. Here we provide you a sample check which has the word void on it. You have written the void transferably on it that depicts that it cannot be used for bank related information purpose and not for payment purpose. So we have written the word void which shows that it can be used for bank related information and not for payment purpose. Here the voided check is shown which has that word void written on it, though it is fully filled up. Here is the date, here is the amount, though signature and a order of amount and memo, and this is the number which is not covered up.